Had a particularly good second round. They've got a score of 9 and 16. And this place are behind Denmark, who are behind them. So Belgium badly need a clear. Could it be our second double clear? We've only had one in the competition. Hendrik de Nuut. Here we go. Well, you almost broke into a trot coming into 5. Suppose you can do that when you're facing a double of over 1.5 metres. Wouldn't advise it. But this horse, Green Sleeps Orage, is incredibly athletic. That was the rider, not me. As they come to the last two, they're still clear. They gave a huge rattle to the C element, but it stayed in place. Time's looking good. Is this going to be a double clear? Yes! Wow, what a phenomenal result. Belgium, with Hendrik de Nuut producing the second double clear of the competition, pushes them right back in contention, really leveraging the pressure onto the Czech Republic and Norway now. That was an astonishing round, I must say. Very lucky at the C element of the new sport treble. Look at that pole jumping and bouncing back into its sockets. Now then, for the Czech Republic, they got off to a magnificent start with Zuzana on a double clear.